And now let's take a look at how to do the exact same thing on a PC. So I've typed in install Google Chrome in the search field, just as before. In this case, I'm using Bing, but it doesn't matter. It will work in Google or whatever search engine you decide to use. And the first one that comes up is Google Chrome, so we click it. Again, this is exactly the same as before. This is the same page, but you'll notice this time it says for Windows 10. So it's correctly identified my operating system, and I will download it for Windows 10 this time, which is what I'm using right now. So again, the name of the file will be chromesetup.exe, and I'm going to save that to my downloads folder. Usually that picks up automatically. There it is. Okay, so I click save. You can save it anywhere you'd like, but obviously the default location is typically your downloads folder or your descargas folder in your case. So I've installed, so I've downloaded it, and thanks for installing. So I'm going to open the folder. You can take a look. Now, to avoid any problems, here it is right here, chromesetup.exe. Doesn't show the exe part, but that's what it is because it's an application. In order to avoid any problems, I right click and I select run as administrator. You may just be able to click it, it may work for you, but this eliminates most of the problems that arise if that doesn't work. Okay, so do you want to allow this app to make changes? I click yes. In my case, I've already installed it, so I don't know what's going to happen if it's going to try to install over my version. It should download it first, so it's connected to the internet, downloading, and I'm going to cancel this because obviously I already have it, so I'm not going to reinstall it, but that's all you have to do to install Google Chrome browser on your PC.